and welcome back to Kristy J's Designs. So you guys, I am so sorry for the long wait, but if you've been keeping up with me on social media, you know that I was in a fashion show about a couple weeks ago, and this show is called Trashion. But there are more deets on the fashion show later on in the video, so keep watching. And I'm so sorry that I forgot to record an intro. I thought I did, but I guess I forgot. But I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep watching for the final outfits. Okay guys, right here you see me assembling the shirt that I made. This is some of the footage that I got a chance to record of me making the actual shirt. This actually was a two-piece set that I decided to make. But as you guys can see me right here, I am sewing, I think it was the front seam and the side seams together to make my shirt. So I'm just gonna stitch that till I'm done, and then I'm gonna show you guys the seam. Guys, how are y'all today? So today is November the 15th. I started this video in, I think, the middle of September. And you guys, I have been so busy. I know you guys have heard from me in like a month. I think, last time I uploaded something was a month ago. And so it's because I've been running back and forth because of classes and stuff I'm in. And so you guys, I am so excited for next week on the 20th. We are actually having a fashion show. The name of this fashion show, as I stated earlier, is Trashion. And it's when you take sustainable materials and you incorporate them and make them into something that is wearable. And so you guys, I'm just going to give you guys a little sneak peek that I'm actually I'm almost done with my shirt. I'm done with my dress. I actually have two outfits. I started off with one, and I told you guys that I was indecisive on if I wanted to do one outfit or if I wanted to do two outfits. And so I decided to do two outfits, and they're so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. It's sitting in front of me right now. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek right quick. So I'm just gonna. And y'all, my room, my floor right now looks a hot mess because I've been cutting out that's my knee. This is one of the elements that I'm using, which is newspaper. Another element is water bottles. I'm using muslin, and which is like a type of base fabric, if you guys know what that is. And